Per, where are we?
Okay, this is the National Library.
Pretty brutal.
Sorry?
Pretty brutal.
It is brutal. Actually, Clorindo Testa, the one who designed this building, is known for having been one of the main brutalist architects. Yeah. So what you see here is the reading room on top.
Yeah.
And then a series of huge columns that where all the elevators are located.
Okay.
Yeah. Those elevators make possible the connection with the basement where all the books are stored.
So he's a master brutalist.
Absolutely.
And it is a monster of the building.
Yes, actually the building was started to, there was a big competition in the 1960s, and it was not until the 1990s that the building could be occupied and all the books could be taken.
Wow, because it took so long to build?
No, it was abandoned for a long time because it was so expensive.
Okay. I like it.